Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Fitbit watches. In the ever-evolving tech world, it's hard to keep up with the latest trends. One such trend is the world of smartwatches, with new players entering the market every year. It's tough to choose which one is right for you. One brand that has stood the test of time is Fitbit, but are Fitbit watches still worth it? In this video, we'll take a look at some of the top reasons why they are, and why they continue to be a popular choice for people who are looking for a reliable and accurate fitness tracker. So why are Fitbit watches still worth it? The answer is simple. They are some of the most reliable smartwatches available. With their sleek design and long-lasting battery, they offer a seamless user experience. But it's not just the reliability that makes them stand out. Fitbit watches are also known for their accuracy. When it comes to fitness tracking, they utilize advanced sensors and algorithms to provide detailed insights into your activity levels, heart rate, sleep patterns, and more. This level of detail is unmatched by many of the newer players in the market. Whether you're a casual gym goer or a seasoned athlete, Fitbit has something for everyone. And while there are plenty of other smartwatches on the market that offer similar features, none of them can match the comprehensive approach that Fitbit provides. Their watches are designed to cater to all your needs, providing accurate fitness tracking, sleep analysis, and stress management tools, all in an easy-to-use package. One of the key benefits of Fitbit watches is their ability to track sleep patterns accurately. Sleep is an essential component of overall health and well-being, and Fitbit watches can provide detailed insights into your sleep habits. They can track the duration of your sleep as well as the different sleep stages, including REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep. This information can help you identify any sleep-related issues and make necessary adjustments to improve your sleep quality. Another great feature of Fitbit watches is their ability to track stress levels. Stress is another major factor that can impact our health and well-being, and Fitbit watches can provide valuable insights into your stress levels. They do this by monitoring your heart rate variability, or HRV, which is a measure of the variation in time between each heartbeat. By tracking your HRV, Fitbit watches can provide a score that indicates your level of stress, which can help you identify patterns and take steps to manage your stress more effectively. But it's not just about tracking your stats. Fitbit watches also provide actionable insights and recommendations based on your data. For example, if your watch detects that you've been sitting for too long, it might send you a notification to get up and move around. Or if it notices that you've been working out too hard, it might recommend that you take a rest day. Overall, Fitbit watches are still very much worth it in 2025 and beyond. With their accurate fitness tracking, sleep analysis, stress management tools, and focus on overall well-being, they continue to be a popular choice for anyone looking to improve their health and wellness. So if you're in the market for a new smartwatch, definitely consider a Fitbit. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching. Invest in a Fitbit watch for you and the family in the link below.